froggy who loved to leap around, and Jumpy was his name, oh. Jumpy. 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 Jumpy was his name, oh. He hopped across the lily pads both near and far, and Jumpy was his name, oh. Jumpy.